Hey yo,
It's your boy.
yo man, welcome. Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. And we're getting ready to do another beat, man. We're getting ready to do another beat, and this time we're gonna be focusing on Kwaito music. If you don't know what that is, you can just look up Zola Seven, Mendoza, and all those guys. And get a feel for what it is. Get a feel for what their music is like, and yeah, and that is Kwaito. But let me just slow this down real quick. But yeah, Kwaito has been around for quite some time. I think right now it's like a bit on the low side of things. Like it's very low key. Because we got Kwesta who's consistent in making it now. Um, I know he used to rap and all that thing. He still raps, but he has this Kwaito vibe about him now. Uh, yeah, I don't know what inspired him, but he's the only guy I feel like he's flying the torch sky high, of Kwaito music. If you get what I'm saying. Yeah, but let's just get into it. Apologies for the audio. I don't know what's happening. Sounds nice with this. I think I should make songs out of these, because they're beginning to sound really good. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let me just push down those low frequencies over here. Alright, let's check it out. So that is it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Stay safe. Peace.